In today's video, you are going to learn how to cook lentils. We've got 7 recipes for you. Let's get into it. First up, we've got lazy low prep dal, and oh my goodness me, this is such a fantastic recipe. Really, it should be called baked dal because that is where this is going to be cooked. As you can see, we've got some aromatics in there, we've got our chopped onions in there, we've got garlic, we've got a little bit of coriander, loads of lentils, which are really high in protein, loads of fantastic spices, and all of that wonderful spinach, which gives you a nice amount of iron. We're going to pop it in the oven, we're going to roast it, and look at the bubble. Then we need a little bit of citrus just to cut through the denseness of the lentils. And there we go. You can serve it with rice, you can serve it with some chapati, or you could serve it which way you want. And then next up, we've got tofu black dal. Now, tofu black dal is a real treat. And one of the coolest things about this recipe is what we top it with, because that, my friends, is grated tofu. And we've made that to replace crispy onions because it gives you the texture, it gives you the protein. And look at this dish. It's so creamy and so unctuous and so delicious. And those lentils are beluga lentils that came out of a bag, so you don't even have to cook them. So this is a super quick dish, super creamy, super delicious, and definitely one for your weekly recipe repertoire. You'll go back to that one again and again. And next up, we've got mushroom and lentil polpetta. Now, this is such a fantastic dish. And basically what you're looking at here is plant-based meatballs, full of protein, got really, really nice, good fats in there, loads of fantastic flavor. We've got a bit of balsamic vinegar, got a bit of red wine. We've got lots and lots of breadcrumbs to sort of bulk it all out and bring it all together. And then rather than frying it, we're gonna roast it because then it will make it a bit more dense and it will be a little bit healthier. Then once we've roasted them all off, we're gonna stick them in a fantastic tomato sauce, and you can just have it as it is, or with a salad, or as part of a really beautiful butty. Now, next up, we've got lentil stuffed sweet potatoes, and this might be one of my favorite recipes that we have ever done. Sweet potatoes are just a joy, soft and gooey and sticky and beautiful. And look at these lentils. Brown lentils out of the tin does the job. And here we've got a little bit of a drizzle. It's a turmeric drizzle, and that is just going to sit beautifully on top of our lentil topped sweet potatoes. Oh yes, that, my friends, is dinner. And now we've got saffron and apricot tarka dal, because a lentil video wouldn't be a lentil video without a high quality tarka dal, and that's exactly what this is. Red lentils are fantastic because they are cheap as chips, packed full of protein, and absolutely delicious, especially when you cook it properly, just exactly as we are doing here. And a tarka dal relies on all of that wonderful tarka on the top. Super simple, recipes in the caption, and go check this one out now. This one is Sri Lankan dal. Now, dal, it's like a dal fest, this video. It's just creamy, it's protein packed, it's unctuous, there's lots of different flavor profiles going on with lots of different recipes. And if you look at the texture here, you just know that that's going to be exactly what your mouth wants on a Monday night or on a Tuesday night. And look, dress it all up with a little bit of fresh herb, a little bit of spice, some curry leaves to give it that real nice traditional flavor. You can serve it with a spoon, or you can sack off the spoon and get some bread out. Now, this is a wonderful recipe. This is Bolognanese Shepherds Pie, or as I like to call it, Bolognanese Shepherds Pie, because I'm from Sheffield. Now, lentils, packed full of protein, loads and loads of bite, loads of chew, and when you couple it with all the rest of those traditional spaghetti bolognese ingredients, what you've got is something truly delicious. And look at that mash. That mash is just green, it's unctuous, it's buttery, it's basil-y. You know that that right there is just exactly what you want on any time of the day, any day of the year. And that is how you make Bolognese Shepherd's Pie, a fantastic dish that's packed full of lentils, just like the 6 that came before it. Let us know what you think about the recipes in the comment section below. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next one.